steak. Who wants some steak?
Brooklyn.
No, don't. Wait.
No, not raw. We're gonna grill it just a little bit.
Brooklyn,
What's that? What's
Okay.
that? What's that? What's that? Wait.
Sit. Thank you. Just wait.
Brooklyn, sit.
What's this? Steak. Sit, please. Good boy, Dagmar. Brooklyn, use your manners. Brooklyn, sit, please. Good boy.
Don't like that.
I've heard such like
Whoa.
comments that they could eat it raw.
Well,
But I trust our vet, and our vet said absolutely not. So, boy, we actually got how many are there? Oh, six altogether.
these are for us. These are for us.
I'm okay.
Brooklyn station. Problem is Brooklyn. I didn't do barbecue sauce.
No, not for them. Who's gonna come in with Daddy?
What's this?
Come.
Oh, Dagmar, you want some? Brooklyn. Brooklyn, come on.
Come, Brooklyn. You're licking your lips.
Here's the steak, medium rare. Just what the puppies ordered. It's nice and cool for them, or room temperature. Okay, go to town.
Diamond's trying to chew the puppies. Brooklyn's looking at his brother. How do you chew this stuff? So 2 steak full bellies equals empty bowls.